you're experiencing connection errors while playing Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems that may be affecting your gameplay. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure you have the latest version of Cyberpunk 2077 installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as these may contain fixes for connection issues. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block the game's connection. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Cyberpunk 2077 is allowed through. You may need to add it as an exception in your security software. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.